Oh my gosh.
Okay, Ramon.
Hey guys, how you doing? Whenever I'm Flores, I'm tired right now because I got out of school. So, I don't know, just going to look around. And again, van, no, however. So, just going to stay here for some minutes. We'll see you back on a few seconds. We're just going to check if it's my dad coming or, So, peace out, guys. That's So, soon to be here. 1 minute. So, right now, we'll be back. Okay, guys. It's already 1 minute. I have something. I'm seeing nothing good to but I don't know what to say. I'm tired, guys. So, if I see an animal, I'm just going to tell you what it is, or it's this one's like we saw right now. It's raining there, so guys, I hope you're okay, guys. Please be safe, guys. Please leave a comment below and like and subscribe, guys. Please be safe. That's what I wanted to say. Be safe, guys. Safe as you can. We'll see you in another video, and bye, guys.